Canva hack I wish I knew before. Have you ever used an image in your design and when you come back later to it, you didn't remember how did you search for this image or what kind of keywords have you used? So let's have a look how you can find information about the image and how you can search for similar style or type of images.
So how can you do it? When you click on your image, you look for the info on your mobile. It's down here, or on your desktop it's at the top. When you click on the info, you get the name of the image and you got the brand that it's made from. When you click on the brand, you probably will get the similar style of images. Then you've got the information whether it's free or Canva Pro, and over here you've got the keywords. So when you click on these keywords, you will probably find a similar style of images. Then you've got a start and add to folder. You can start your image, you can add it to folder, so you will find it later. And when you click on see more like this, you will find again the relevant style of images. So this is how you can get information about your image and search for similar images within a Canva.